Morning, guys.
Morning.
Just the two of us. What's going on here? And
all dressed up.
All dressed up. Dead excited today.
So excited.
This is the first time we've ever been invited to a Disney event, to the Moana media preview.
So excited. So excited. You know us, we love Disney, we love Hawaii, we love Hawaiian food. It's like the perfect event for us.
It's really cool. So we're heading into London. We're currently at Heathrow. We stayed here overnight, didn't we? Because it is an early start in London. We didn't want like a 5-hour drive this morning, did we?
No, we had to be here for 10 a.m. We'd never have made it.
Yeah. So you're coming with us today. We're going to take you around and kind of show you everything that's going to happen. We haven't got really a clue what's going on, have we, in terms of the event?
No, we think there's a small chance we might be meeting the cast of the live action Moana, which is very exciting. Yeah. Very exciting.
I bet the Rock can't wait to meet us. Right, let's take you with us. Hi guys, so after like what, an hour?
An hour on the tube?
Yeah, we have reached the capital. Basically, Tower of London is just at the side of us.
And the Shard's right in front.
Yeah. Basically, the idea of this event today, Moana the Experience, which is something for just today.
It's a big pop-up.
Yeah, so it's here's obviously Moana, the live-action film, is going to be here. There's going to be some food that we're going to try with Honi Poke.
Yeah, I'm excited to try that. Love a poke bowl.
Yeah, there's also, I believe there's going to be some pigs around as well, like little pigs. Yeah, so that should be cool. There's other kind of Moana, Hawaiian-inspired stuff to kind of...
I think we get to make lays and take a picture with Maui's Hawk, and...
It should be cool.
It should be a fun afternoon.
And also the Rock stopping by, so you know.
And Katherine, who is Moana.
Yeah, the cast are here. And then afterwards we're then going to get sent over to the Everyman Cinema.
We can't take you for that bit.
No, because we're going to get a preview of the live action.
Some footage, it says. We're getting a footage screening. Oh my god, I can't believe we're here. This is so exciting.
Honestly, like, this is mental. Like, we didn't just randomly got an email last week about it, didn't we? And it's just like, wow, amazing.
Shall we go?
Yeah, like pinch moment. And again, just to say thank you to you guys, because without you guys watching the videos and then, you know, commenting back on social media and stuff like this would never happen.
Never would have happened. We wouldn't be here today.
And the question on everyone's lips right now, obviously we're a trio. Where's Ollie?
Unfortunately, no kids allowed.
Yeah, so. Ollie couldn't make it today. He is back home. We will be sending him updates and he'll get them later on today. So we'll make sure that he's still part of the experience, right?
Yeah.
Straight across the way is where we're heading. There it is, look. Moana boat there, the long boat. And Maui's fish hook.
So cool. It's big, isn't it?
Yeah. So similar to Toy Story, Disney have kind of put an experience on just to kind of promote the film, right?
Yeah, this is cool though. It looks really awesome down there.
Yeah.
Life-size fish hook.
So the event doesn't start for like another 10 minutes for us, and the cast are coming in about an hour's time. But you can see them rehearsing there now. That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Really cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
I'm going to take you around in a second. It's about to kick off shortly, but we are like backstage at the minute, waiting for the cast to arrive. He's like,
I can't even speak. The cast are actually going to be here, like, the Rock's going to be behind us in a minute.
Yeah. So we have been invited here by Honi Poke, who have a special poke bowl for the release of Moana.
Find your wave.
Yeah,
we just had a sneak peek of them, and they look
so good. To be honest, you know us at the moment with our Hawaiian food, we absolutely love them. And they come in 3 different flavours, so basically you get tuna and you got tofu as well. But let me just quickly take you around and show you. You got to start here, haven't you?
Yeah.
A massive Maui hook here.
That's so cool.
Look at that backdrop as well, with the Tower of London just there. Then just to the left hand side here, you've got the long boat, Moana's long boat. And then we've got Honi Poke stand over here.
I can't wait to try that, honestly.
I know, where you can get your poke bowls. It looks like they've got a sing-along experience there as well, so a little karaoke booth in the corner. Have you fancied it?
On our way in, you could pet pigs. We're going to pet pigs.
And then also in that corner, we'll show you in a bit, there's some Disney merch as well, obviously, which is Moana inspired.
And I'm assuming from the rehearsal we saw on our way in that we're going to get a performance from some Hawaiian dancers, which is really cool.
The event is getting very close now. Everyone's kind of waiting. You've got like your press over left hand side. You've got then loads of media here. But what's really cool is there's a primary school that's over there that the Rock has invited, haven't they?
Yeah, that's so cute. They reached out to him and he saw it, reached out back, and then there's been a backwards and forwards and he's invited him.
We are not as close to the front as we would like. So you might see a sea of phones in between us and what happens in later on. We'll try and capture as much of it as we possibly can do for you.
So excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, pinch me.
Here we go. Hey, hey. Thank you so much for joining us here on the beautiful banks of the River Thames. It is a very special day today, London. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here.
But today, as you can see, the riverbank has been transformed, transporting us to our own Pacific island of Motunui and the world of Moana!
I'm Tyler West.
And I'm Molly Rainford.
And welcome to the Moana Experience, London. If you're a Moana fan, make some noise in here today. It's feeling good, Moles.
So whilst we waited patiently for the cast of Moana to arrive, we were treated to performances from the London School of Hula Inori and Philippe, who plays Hercules in the West End.
What's happening here?
Like that, buddy.
You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Well, what can I say except welcome for the islands I call the sea. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. And thank you! Thank you!
Man, the myth, the Maui, Dwayne Johnson!
Genuinely the best part about this so far is the most excited that The Rock's got was meeting the kids. So The Rock's going to doing the rounds now, going through all the different like media people.
He spent so long with all the kids as well. Like, he's literally every kid that was here at the event.
He's giving some people so much time.
He spent so much time with that school of kids that they've been excited. Like, that was so cute.
There's a lot of like Make-A-Wish kids as well that he spent a lot of time with, and now he's going around and doing all like the media and stuff like that, and then over to the side. I think the idea now is that The Rock's trying to make his rounds. We thought we'd make use of the time to have a bit of a Pokeball, and then heading over to an exclusive screening.
But we're going to enjoy this right now because that is so fresh. How nice is that? So good. So good. I guess it's so good. Kershaws so good approved.
We've seen a lot today. We've come a long way, okay? How are we still feeling? We still got some energy over here? What about on this side right in front of me? We still got some energy? And you guys, I know you can go crazy. 3, 2, 1. I regret that one. Wow, it was a bit close. It was a bit close. But we are not done yet. We have one final surprise for you here today. Okay, there's just no telling how far we'll go to entertain you here in London.
What is a takeaway?
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time!
Right, just like that, we're out, we're going to the screening, and then we'll be back to show you how the whole experience works shortly. So, we didn't have much time to tell you before, but we messed up the picture with the rock, didn't we? True Kershaw fail, literally. We had one chance, one shot to not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Oh no, I messed it up.
The only time we're ever going to meet him. And the first selfie is us going as we try to get into frame.
And then the next selfie, he's moved on. It was that quick. It was that quick. And we're now heading over to Everyman Cinema. We're going to go and watch a preview. It's not the full film, but I think it's a good like 40 minutes worth.
Yeah.
You don't feel like you don't belong somewhere.
The moment you knock the popcorn off and it goes everywhere, yeah.
I literally sat down and knocked the popcorn everywhere. Can't take me anywhere. Can't take me anywhere. It's going well. We're never going to be invited again. Right, anyway, we're here now for the sneak preview of Moana. It's around about 40 minutes segment of the film, so check it out. So I'm really intrigued about this. And I'm also really glad that it's not a full film.
Yeah.
Because we can still go and see it with all.
Yeah. And it'd be like, well, we would have taken him anyway.
Well, yeah, I know, but still, like, it's cool.
It's a teaser.
Yeah. The Rock's got a lot more hair there than he did when I saw him a minute ago. And also, as well, we fixed the image.
We just overlaid 2 images.
So if you've seen it on social media and you thought that it's the real thing, I mean, technically the moment happened. These are just 2 moments very close together.
It was a snap. One he was looking and one we were looking.
Never mind. I realised better that way.
It's a memory. It's a core memory that though, isn't it? Remember that time when we didn't manage to take a selfie with him?
We clearly caught his attention though, because like literally we had like a millisecond. I mean, he's a busy man.
He managed to see so many people today.
Yeah. It's been honestly, this is like a dream come true for us doing it.
Oh, big time.
It's cool.
Big time.
Well.
Sneak peeks all done. I cannot wait to go watch this film.
Yeah.
I'm going to throw it out there right now and say this is going to be the best live action Disney have ever done.
It looked pretty good, to be fair.
What we've seen is awesome, and that new song, I love it.
Yeah, 10th of July, it's out in the cinemas. I think we'll be watching.
Oh, we'll be there on opening night.
Hi guys, so we're now back in the Moana Experience.
Yeah, we're joining the last 10 minutes of this session, so I think to keep the crowds low, they've done it like in sections, so you move from section to section.
There you go, this is all the stuff that you can do whilst you're actually here. So we can do some pet pigging, Ange. Do some pet pigging, some pig petting. They also have a bit of coconut water here. So we got hooker fish.
Now it's the fun bit.
Yeah, this is the reason we come. The mini pigs. You're saying well clear, Sam. Oh, they're so cute, right? Touching them.
They're cute from a distance.
Yeah.
I like looking at them. They're actually really wiry.
The wiry. Alright, so we just met the pigs with Sam.
Should have asked its name.
What? The pig? I don't think I'd have told you, to be honest. Sam, how did you find that?
Hello.
How you doing?
Harold, we met some pigs earlier, didn't we?
Yeah, that's it.
She even stroked them.
Yeah, I know.
We don't even know their names, to be fair, they were sleeping. So
Yeah,
we
they
can't
weren't
say
really
them. We didn't want to
very
wake them up.
talkative, were they?
No.
That was a very unique experience, to be fair.
Yeah.
That was good though. It was good.
It was.
And there's also a Disney store at the side that you get 15% off if you use code Moana15 before the end of
July.
Was it end of July? Just try it, and if it works, then you know they might keep the code on. You just never know. But anyway, the last experience that we're doing here is karaoke, right? Right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you right now?
10 being
11.
Only because it's all filmed, so there's going to be video evidence.
Oh right, so they send it. I thought it was like a picture we get. No, we get the video.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is a good idea.
Not with the voices, though.
Yeah, we can mute it. We can mute it. Yeah.
That's fine.
Either that or put copyright music underneath it so that it does get taken down.
The real Moana voice.
Yeah.
How could I sound when I sing?
We're going to lip sync.
I mean, this one's a legend. You're going around with you lot all day.
I know.
I mean,
I'm glad someone acknowledged that.
This is seriously a legend.
Thank you.
What can I say except you're welcome? Finest from the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome.
Honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the graphs, the
you're just messing around. I killed a Neil, I buried his guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? Not is a takeaway. Don't mess with my way when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here on my skin is the map of the victories I win. Look at a pen and make everything happen. Look at that mean mini man with your ticket guitar.
Someone's been rehearsing this.
You're welcome. And thank you.
Sam, a little lesson today. Don't go into a booth in the dark with your shades on trying to read karaoke lyrics because you can't do it.
Nope.
Nope, can't be done. Nope, nope. Didn't have a clue. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're here all day. Yeah, literally. That was great. I should have took my shades off because I couldn't read the lyrics, but you know.
I'd like to do like from 8 till midnight, the adult version where like, there's the song, there's the shots, off you go.
Off you go, yeah.
Imagine them videos.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Thank you very much, but anyway. Right guys, and that's it. The end of our day here at the Moana Experience.
It's been such a fun day.
Oh,
it's been
really cool, hasn't it?
not why the smiles off our faces all day.
I know, like we got to see the rock this morning, this experience, kind of seeing the media event, that was so cool.
Yeah.
We got a chance to meet Sam as well, which is cool, and then we went and saw the film.
Yeah, sneak peek of the film, which was, I can't wait for it to come on. I'm so excited to see it. What we
super
saw,
excited.
it's so good.
Yeah. A massive thank you to Honi Poke for inviting us out, and also to the Disney team for looking after us today.
It's been such a great day.
Till next time.
We'll see you on the next adventure.
Catch you later!